Are you currently doing a detox or have just finished one and now you're wondering, what am I going to eat? Well, stay tuned, watch this video. I'll tell you what to eat and what not to eat, and you'll learn from my mistakes because I did it wrong. Your girl ate all the wrong stuff, and I'll tell you what happened. Hi, it is Shae. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are returning, thank you for coming back. I recently did a video on the pros and cons of the Dr. Bobby Price 14-day detox. If you have not watched it, I'll link it up here so you can see it. During the detox, I ate pretty healthy because you have to, right? But after the detox is where I went wrong. And I'm kind of mad at myself because I know what to eat and what not to eat, but for some reason I just lost it. I lost it for a bit. Let me tell you what happened. Okay, first let me tell you what I should have did. So on the 14-day detox, I had a pretty simple meal plan. I pretty much ate the same things every day. Still cut oats for breakfast. Here's my oatmeal, hot blueberry, bananas. For lunch, I would have some type of soup, and then for dinner, I'd have salad or I'd have mixed vegetables. So that was it. I did not have any added sugars. I probably had some honey, maybe like cocoa for like chocolate, but no like processed foods, anything like that. I was really good on the detox. If you watched my video, you know that I had recently done the Daniel fast. So eating healthy is not like a challenge for me. I actually really enjoy eating healthy because of the benefits that it brings. So during the detox, I was eating really healthy. Now the detox was over, and let me tell you what I ate. The 14-day detox ended, and you guys know, if you watched the video, it was a struggle for me, but it did make me, like, I did feel good. Like my body felt good. I felt like my energy was up. My skin got clear, all that stuff. You can watch the video to see all my pros. Now, when the detox was over, I don't know, I guess in my mind, I felt like I needed some type of treat. So pretty much like the next day, I want to say, I had a iced matcha, and it was like the sweet matcha powder. I'm just going to give you like what I ate like the very next day, okay? And you'll see why I was tripping. So I had an iced matcha. Then I went to Starbucks and I had the breakfast sandwich. It was the, at least it was like the vegan breakfast sandwich, but the bread, right? The bread, totally wrong. Shouldn't have had that. Came home. I think I tried to get back on like the right foot, and I had maybe soup or I can't remember. I think I had salad, but I had like some sourdough bread with it. So all of that pretty much made me crash. The next morning, it was so hard for me to wake up. I didn't see y'all yesterday because guess what? Your girl woke up feeling so sluggish. And I woke up feeling so sluggish yesterday. Let me tell you what happened. So you know the detox is over. And so on Saturday, I had a pizza from Blaze, which was really good, by the way. It was a vegan pizza. So the vegan cheese, the vegan chorizo, all of that. It was really good. And then Sunday, I had an Impossible breakfast sandwich from Starbucks. I had leftover pizza. It was only like one slice. And then I also had like a half a piece of sourdough bread. This was just throughout the day, right? It was so hard for me to wake up. I literally felt like a truck had hit my body. And I immediately knew that I shouldn't have had all that stuff. I knew I shouldn't have had that much sugar because the matcha sugar, bread turns into sugar, but I don't know. I guess I felt like, because I love food, I'm a total foodie. I guess I felt like I maybe deserved a treat. I don't know what I thought. Or maybe I'm just like, I want to eat something that tastes good. And I love all the things that I ate. I enjoyed it while I ate it. I didn't feel bad about it at all. But the very next day, I absolutely paid for it. Fast forward a few days later, your girl hung out with some friends. We went to CPK. I had a lovely pasta. Oh my God, it was so good, and I can't wait to go back and get it. The next day, after going to lunch with friends, my husband and I went to have burgers. So I had a turkey burger, delicious. Later on in the week, I had Chick-fil-A probably twice. And I think that was, as far as like the bad foods, I think that was it. I still have my vegetables and stuff for lunch. So my basic meal plans each day are great. But then every now and then I'll just sneak in something that's not so healthy because number one, I don't have anything. You know why? Because I haven't prepared a meal. Preparation is key. If I haven't prepared a meal, then I'm going to go out and get something. Oh, I also had a cookie from Panera Bread. You know why? It's the kitchen sink cookie and it's so good. But I had a cookie from Panera Bread because they sent me a coupon. They said it's a trap. It's a trap. I need to just like figure out my life. They sent me a coupon for $2 off. So then I in my mind say, oh, I gotta go get this cookie because I have a coupon, and instead of paying $5, I'm gonna pay $2.50. Wrong. I need to learn how to say no. So what are the right foods to eat after a detox? Of course we know the bad foods, but the right foods to eat after a detox are the exact same things that you ate on the detox. It's not hard, right? We all know the answer. We know that these foods are beneficial for our bodies. We know the leafy greens, the beans, your water intake is important. No processed foods, like no sugar. We all know what we are supposed to eat, but for some reason we don't. We gotta do better. I'm talking to myself. I gotta do better. And why do we need to eat those foods? Mainly because they're life. I mean, you see, I've been like on a healthy eating kick for years now. Anyway, hi guys. Coming in to show you how to make coconut milk yogurt. And of course, I know everything that I'm supposed to eat, but still sometimes I don't. But we know why we're supposed to eat these food. You are supposed to eat life, right? You want to eat life as opposed to eating death, which is like the dead meats and the things like that. You're supposed to shop on the outsides of the grocery store. I mean, the outside aisles or whatever, instead of the inside. The outside has all the living foods. We are living beings. We need to eat living food. So that's why it's important. I always say this, everything that God has already given us, everything that we need. Your vegetables, your fruits and vegetables already here, right? Planted in the ground. All this extra processed stuff we definitely don't need, but it tastes so good. Oh, and I want to tell you this. I know that there's 1,000 videos about why sugar is bad, but let me just give you the reasons that it's bad for me, and it might resonate with you. Okay. It's sugar is the devil, and sugar is a drug, and it's very addictive. So we all know that sugar can cause weight gain. Well, that's not a problem for me. I'm like naturally thin, but just because I'm thin doesn't mean I'm healthy. So for me, what sugar does is it decreases my energy levels. It causes me to crave more sugar. And then also it shows up on my skin. So because of those reasons, like, I don't want to do it. It's 1,000 more I could name too. I was just looking at an article, but it increases your diabetes. It increases your risk for heart disease. It increases your risk of cancer. And then also too, it increases your risk of depression. So it's so bad. Now, will I ever eat sugar again? Absolutely. I just actually went to Cold Stone today because my husband wanted to go. So I had a little bit of ice cream and I didn't eat the whole thing, and I'll probably eat a little bit tomorrow. Will I have sugar? Yes. I'm not going to be that strict on myself because I still have to live, but you want to do everything in moderation. Like, you don't need to go overboard. I don't need to go to Chick-fil-A 2 days in a row, right? I mean, like, girl, bruh. Like, what are you doing? Okay, so to sum it up, everything in moderation, right? You can eat the bad stuff, but just try to do it as less as how should I say that? Don't do it as much as you want to. I don't know. As least as possible. Just try to do it as least as possible. So to sum it up, continue eating your healthy food. Look at Dr. CB's food list. Look at Dr. Bobby Price, the things that he recommends. It's so many healthy videos that you guys can eat. Also, beware of the vegan food, like the Beyond Meat, which I really love, and Impossible, like, and all the, because there's a ton of like vegan products, but also it's processed. Like, you start looking at all those ingredients and you're like, what is this? I don't know what this is. This might be worse for me than just eating beef or whatever. So stick to your leafy greens, your fruits, your vegetables, your nuts, your beans, all that good stuff, because that's what's going to make you thrive. Oh my gosh, I'm all over the place, but this is also what I wanted to say. When I ate all of that stuff, I crashed, you guys. Remember how I was telling you that I had not been taking naps because like I had energy, right? Came home the other day from work and was out. I gotta stop with the sugar and stuff because I'm sleepy. It's Friday. I just got home from work and now I want to take a nap. It's 3:30 and I think I'm gonna take a nap. And I feel like, because I've been eating too much sugar this week. Like cookies and bread. Can't do it. I'm gonna take a nap and then hopefully I'll see y'all later. For 2 hours. 2 hours. Not good. So I actually miss the Dr. Bobby Price detox. My sister and I, we did it at the same time, and every day we're almost like, shoot, we miss the detox. We miss our bodies being at like their best. Even though, you know, we were having like stomach issues or whatever, you knew that you didn't have all this crap in your body. So I actually miss the detox, and I actually want to do it again, and I will do it again in the summer. I know he has one coming up pretty soon here, and I think you get like the support group with it and everything. I'm not ready for it again right now, but what I am ready for is eating healthy. So I got some, like, you know, it's not hard, you guys. It's really not. I got Press Juicery. Like, I have a membership with them, so I get fresh juices from them. Your smoothies, your salads, every day pretty much, like I'm eating a salad for the most part, and your beans for lunch. It's very simple. Every now and then, if you want to sprinkle in a cookie or whatever, fine, do it, but just don't go overboard. I went overboard last week. I went overboard. Pasta, burgers, Chick-fil-A, cookies. No more. No more. That's what I say now, but really, no more. Help. I need help. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know below if you had trouble eating healthy after the detox. And then if you didn't, though, let me know like what foods you ate after the detox. Did you keep on with the same things? Let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video.